Hi everyone and welcome to another upload from me, Ramondo Lee. So today we are visiting once again the beautiful El Cotillo. This time we have headed a little bit further up the beach to La Concha. So it's virtually in the same area as the previous upload. However, this time there is a rather large car park and some toilet facilities and a changing room so that you can get changed. So we decided to head back to the lagoons because they are absolutely stunning, and I decided to do a little bit of swimming and a little bit of snorkeling with the daughter. So I hope you enjoy this one. We all had a dip at some point during the day. It was absolutely beautiful. The weather was so warm, and the water, it was like being in a warm bath. It was absolutely amazing. Okay, it's a bit of snorkeling done in the Blue Lagoons. Absolutely beautiful, really warm. Superb. perfect for snorkeling. So that brings us to a close on this upload. I hope you've enjoyed the visit here, just to show you what it's like. I would highly recommend you come here if you've got a car. I do believe there is some buses routes that will take you here as well. So yeah, you should consider coming here. It's a beautiful place to come for a swim, and the beaches are absolutely stunning. Highly recommend it indeed. So thank you very much everyone for watching. Thank you to the gold members of the channel for your continued support. I really appreciate it. And please remember to check out the playlist and subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. Thank you.